everyone, I'm sharing with you how to make another quilting technique today. Very easy. This is for beginner or people who have little piece fabric all around. I went to Walmart in the right time and the right place. Not all Walmart on sale for that day. I just went to the right one and it sold this of 20 piece 5x5 square. It's for $1. And I got a whole bunch in different size to the straight, the long one too. I will share with you later for more idea. So I need 4. It's here they have 5 different design or 5 different design everyone. So I'm gonna pick 2 different ones. So it's 2 the same. This one and this one are the same. And then I'm going to pick the orange. It's 2 orange and 2 of that. I'm gonna try to find something similar to that one. Maybe this one and this one, and this one I'll put it back. You see how it come with different things right here. So cute. So I'm gonna put it back and then I will share with you for my future video. So now what you need to do, you're gonna put 2 and 2 together, 1 on each. You don't put in the same, you put 1 on each. Make sure everything line up. This one right here, same thing. They cut really well too, so you don't need to worry about is there even or not even. So pin right in the middle. From here, 1/4 of an inch you're gonna sew on both sides, left and right. 1/4 of an inch you're gonna sew the line. Here too, 1/4 of an inch you're gonna sew this line. On my sewing machine have like 1/4 of an inch, 3/4, 3/8, whatever. But for the people who don't, and this is the tool that I use, it's very useful everyone. It's have 1/4, 1/8 and blah blah blah. So you're going to place it in here. You're going to make sure your needle go down to the holes of 1/4 of an inch. This magnet come with it. You're going to go and place it right there. So now you go into sew with no problem. If not, I usually 1/4 of an inch. I usually do this. Place the fabric and then the side of the fabric meet the side of my presser foot to bring it up. Take this out. Just like that, 1/4 of an inch. And so you're going to do the other side, this side right on the left, and then sew the second piece the same. So everyone, after I sew these 2 lines together on the left and on the right, 1/4 of an inch. So put one away. Let me show you one, and then the other one you're gonna do exact the same. So now when you see it like this is a sew line. You're going to fold it in half if you like, or if you have this one is 2.5 inch. That came with the thing I got. And you can do this. You can place from the end, from the beginning right here on the side. It's sack like this, and then you can cut this into 2. So that is 2.5 inch. And then you start sewing this, cutting this line in half. Or if you don't want to use any ruler, you can do this. Fold it in half. Make sure it's center in everything. Then you can just put your whole hand so the fabric don't move and start doing that. In the same time, you know, that way you can have the line, you can cut it out. So do the same thing to the other piece. Cut that in half. And now when you open this, so open this, go in the back. You're gonna spread this out if you can. Mine is not, I'm shaky. Maybe I'm hungry. And then press like this. Same thing to the other one. Remember, you have another piece, you're gonna do exactly like this. This way you can make a pillow case, or you can do anything you want. You make handbag using this technique if you want to. Anything you want, everyone. There's no wrong or right. Now I have 4 of them after I press and iron. So now I'm going to show you one, and then this one do the same thing. So I'm going to put that away so you don't confuse. So now I'm going to put in together. You see this one with the orange and with this one with the flower. I'm going to turn in this way. So the orange can be here, and then the flower can be at the orange. And when you do that, you're going to make sure the sole line touching very nice together. It have to touch. Okay. Both of them. You can do one at a time. I'll show you one, and then you do the other piece exactly the same. So 1/4 of an inch, you're going to sew on the left and the right, sew them this way. So now everyone, after I sew the left and the right 1/4 of an inch, and same thing to this one, same thing to this one. Folding, this is the sew line, this sew line, folding the same way of the sew line, in half. Or you can use the ruler, okay? But I think that when I cut it in half this way, everything will be even. This is the ruler I have, and then I can go like this and draw the line down. So that way I can cut, because it's 2.5 inch anyway. So this one, the ruler here, is 2.5 inch. Same thing to this one. This is the sew line. You're going from this same line. Don't go at the sew line, go right at the end here. And then you're going to mark the line so you can cut easy. If not, fold it in half. I'm just showing you the technique. And this work with the 4 inches and 3 inches, whatever inches you have. Just with this technique, very easy. You don't need any special measurement, special sewing. Straight line. Look at that. Look, everything is nice and straight together like that. Isn't that so easy? Go ahead and iron this. Press on the sew line, iron this. Look at that. All nice. So pretty. So this, you can have one side of the bag already, or if you make a wallet. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and iron this, and I show you. Iron in the back here. It looks so pretty, isn't it? So flat. All 4. So now you can put all 4 together. So keep doing this until you're done with your little piece. So I'm gonna do this. So this is the one, and then you're gonna go opposite like this. Okay, so the orange touching the flower this way. That 2, and then these 2, the orange and the pink, is like this. And this one right here with the orange goatee here, and ta-da, you have a very pretty quilting that made by you. So now you can sew this together like this. You're gonna fold it together. You can pin if you like to. So make sure right in the center here you can pin this just like that. Super simple. And then you can just sew it. Do the same thing to the second piece. So everyone, after I sew everything, so I just want to make sure you can clip all the 4 line that you sew. You can do that too if you don't want. I don't like the pin, so I use that clip and clip it together. And so now this one and that one right there, whenever you sew, you can open it and you can press the line out and iron it. You see how the line press out nicely? Look, so pretty. You can make another 2 like this, and then you can make a handbag or wallet. It's all up to you, and just give you an idea here. Alright, so look at that, everyone. Look how beautiful that is. You can sew a 1/4 of an inch together with 2 pieces to make a square, or you can do the 2 sides together the long way, like this. Put it together, and then you can sew a 1/4 of an inch this way to make a long. Everyone, after I sew it together, it's gonna look like that. That is so cute. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to support my channel by like, share, and subscribe. And also click on the like button if you like my video. Turn on all notifications so you won't miss any of my new video, everyone. Love you.